Let's dive into the fascinating world of schnitzel production, where precision and tradition come together to create a beloved culinary delight. Ever wondered how your favorite schnitzel is made? Let's find out! The journey of making schnitzel begins with selecting the perfect cut of meat. This step sets the foundation for the entire process, as the quality of the meat directly influences the final product's taste and texture. Typically, pork, veal, or chicken is used, each offering a unique flavor profile. The chosen meat is inspected meticulously to ensure it meets the highest standards. Factors like marbling, color, and tenderness are evaluated by expert butchers. This selection process is critical. A single misstep can compromise the entire batch, wasting valuable resources and hours of labor. By ensuring only the finest cuts are chosen, the factory lays a strong foundation for the subsequent steps. The stakes are high as the quality of the meat determines the schnitzel's juiciness and flavor, ensuring it meets consumer expectations and maintains the brand's reputation for excellence. The importance of this step cannot be overstated, as the meat's quality directly impacts the schnitzel's overall taste, texture, and appearance. Selecting the right cut is not just about choosing the best piece of meat. It's about ensuring consistency across large volumes of production. This consistency is crucial for a factory setting where thousands of schnitzels are produced daily. The process involves close collaboration between suppliers and factory quality control teams, who work together to ensure that each batch of meat delivered meets the stringent standards required for schnitzel production. The right cut of meat, meticulously selected, sets the stage for creating a schnitzel that is not only delicious but also consistent in quality. Once the perfect cut is selected, the next crucial step is pounding the meat to the ideal thickness. This involves placing the meat between sheets of plastic wrap or parchment paper and using a meat mallet to evenly flatten it. In a factory setting, precision is achieved using industrial machines that ensure each piece reaches the desired thinness without tearing. The goal is uniform thickness, crucial for even cooking, and a tender texture. Unevenly pounded meat can lead to parts being overcooked or undercooked, affecting the schnitzel's overall quality. The stakes are high as improper pounding results in inconsistent products, making the schnitzel less appealing to consumers. The pounding process also tenderizes the meat, breaking down muscle fibers to ensure it is easy to eat. Advanced machinery is precisely calibrated to apply the right amount of pressure, achieving a perfectly pounded schnitzel ready for the next production stage. After pounding, the meat moves on to the breading process, which involves coating it in flour, dipping it in beaten eggs, and then covering it with breadcrumbs. This classic breading technique gives schnitzel its signature crispy crust. In a factory setting, this process is streamlined using automated equipment. The meat is first passed through a flour dredger for an even coat. Next, it's submerged in an egg wash, ensuring the breadcrumbs will adhere properly. Finally, the meat is coated in breadcrumbs, which may be plain or seasoned. The consistency of the breading is critical because it affects the schnitzel's texture and flavor. Uneven breading can result in an unappealing, soggy crust. Using precise, calibrated machinery, factories ensure each piece is perfectly breaded, ready for the final cooking process. This careful attention to breading not only ensures a consistent look, but also balances flavors and textures, essential for a high-quality schnitzel. Frying is where the magic happens, transforming the breaded meat into golden, crispy schnitzel. In large-scale production, industrial fryers are used to cook multiple pieces simultaneously, maintaining a consistent temperature to ensure even cooking. The schnitzel is fried in hot oil until it reaches a perfect golden brown color, with a crispy exterior and juicy interior. This process is carefully monitored to prevent overcooking, which can dry out the meat, or undercooking, which can leave it raw. The stakes are particularly high during frying. Maintaining the correct oil temperature and cooking time is crucial to achieving the desired texture and flavor. Any deviation can result in an inferior product. Once fried, the schnitzel is removed from the oil and placed on racks to drain excess oil, ensuring it remains crispy. The result is a perfectly cooked schnitzel, ready for quality control and packaging. The frying process is a delicate balance of time and temperature, and even slight variations can affect the final product. Industrial fryers are equipped with advanced controls to maintain the oil at the precise temperature needed for optimal frying. The schnitzel is carefully monitored throughout the frying process to ensure it cooks evenly and develops the perfect golden crust. After frying, the schnitzel is allowed to rest briefly to let any excess oil drain away. This step is crucial for ensuring the schnitzel remains crispy and does not become greasy. The resting period also allows the meat to finish cooking through residual heat, ensuring it is perfectly cooked and tender. By the end of the frying process, the schnitzel has transformed from a simple piece of breaded meat into a delicious, crispy treat, ready for the next stage of production. After frying, the schnitzel needs to rest briefly to allow excess oil to drain and the flavors to settle. This step is crucial for ensuring the schnitzel retains its crispiness and does not become soggy. During this resting period, quality control inspectors meticulously examine each piece for consistency in size, color, and texture. This stage involves both visual inspections and sometimes taste tests to ensure the schnitzel meets the company's high standards. The stakes here are significant. Any piece that does not meet the criteria is removed from the batch, ensuring only the best products reach consumers. This rigorous quality control process helps maintain the brand's reputation and ensures customer satisfaction. By the end of this stage, the schnitzel is ready for packaging, having passed through multiple checks to guarantee it is of the highest quality. Quality control is an integral part of the production process, ensuring that each schnitzel not only looks and tastes great, but is also safe for consumption. Inspectors check for uniformity in size and thickness, ensuring that each piece of schnitzel is consistent and will cook evenly. They also check the color of the crust to ensure it has reached the perfect golden brown hue, indicating it has been fried correctly. In addition to visual inspections, taste tests are sometimes conducted to ensure the schnitzel has the right balance of flavors and textures. Any piece that does not meet the strict quality standards is removed from the production line and either reprocessed or discarded. This thorough quality control process ensures that only the best schnitzel reaches consumers, maintaining the high standards expected of the product. The final step in the schnitzel production process is packaging. Proper packaging is essential to maintain the freshness and quality of the schnitzel until it reaches the consumer. In a factory setting, automated machines handle the packaging process with precision. The schnitzel is first placed in vacuum-sealed packages to remove air and prevent spoilage. This method also extends the product's shelf life by reducing exposure to oxygen, which can cause the breading to become stale. Labels are then applied, providing important information such as ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiration dates. This packaging not only protects the schnitzel during transport, but also ensures it remains fresh and flavorful for the consumer. The stakes are high at this stage. Any errors in packaging can lead to spoilage and compromise the product's integrity. The meticulous attention to detail in packaging ensures that the schnitzel remains high quality from the factory to the consumer's table. In addition to preserving freshness, the packaging also plays a crucial role in branding and marketing. Attractive packaging with clear labeling helps to catch the consumer's eye and provides them with all the necessary information about the product. This includes details about the ingredients used, nutritional information, and cooking instructions. The packaging process is carefully monitored to ensure that each package is sealed properly and that the labels are applied correctly. Any errors in this stage can lead to spoiled products and dissatisfied customers. Once packaged, the schnitzel is ready for distribution, ensuring it reaches consumers in perfect condition, ready to be enjoyed. So there you have it, a fascinating journey from raw meat to the delicious schnitzel you love. This process artfully combines traditional techniques with modern technology to deliver flavors cherished around the world. If you want to explore more exciting Field 2 fork stories, watch our next video.